Hello everybody and welcome to our today's lesson number 16, position of an adjective. In our last video we learned couple of adjectives. In this lesson we will learn how to position these adjectives. In English it is pretty simple. For an example, the red book, the beautiful girl. We always position the adjective in front of the noun and we're done. And it is very evident in English, we don't have two rules to it. In Spanish, the rules change a bit. So there are two ways to put an adjective. Certain adjectives will follow the noun and others will precede the noun. There are two major categories. The first category is to be said as the descriptive adjectives category, where we position the adjective after the noun. The adjective can be of color, shape, size, quality, quantity, etc. Here you will place the adjective after the noun. Let us take a few examples to understand this better and what kind of adjectives will be used here. First example, un libro rojo, a red book. Rojo means red, which is put after libro. Hence, color as a adjective will be put after the noun. In the same way, una chica bonita, a beautiful girl, but bonita is put after the noun. In the same way, we can see in another example like un chico rico, a rich boy, but rico is after the noun. Let's review the last example. El libro interesante, an interesting book, but interesante is put after libro. As everyone is aware, every language and every concept has something or the other as an exception. So here we will see two exceptions which will follow you to a different path and the adjective will be before the noun. Let's review the first kind of exception. The first kind of exception says a descriptive adjective indicating an inherent quality of a noun may precede it. Example, to make the sentence very clear for all of you, it states that la blanca nieve. So, the white snow. Snow is always white. It's its inherent quality. That is why the color is in front of the noun. So basically, blanca is placed before. In the same way, let's take another example. Los bajos picos, the small peaks. Peaks as in mountains. So the peaks are by nature small. So we put the small adjective in front of the noun. I hope this has made the concept clear. Let's move on to the second exception. A descriptive adjective where it is showing us the subjectivity precedes the noun. To make it clear, let's review the example. El mejor restaurante, the best restaurant. You're putting a superlative quality of a noun and you're rating it the highest. It is expressing your subjectivity to the noun. You say it as the best. In the same way, let's see another example. Es una mala idea. It's a bad idea. Again, here the subjectivity precedes. I hope these two things, two concepts are very clear to put them in the descriptive adjectives. Second type of adjectives are limiting adjectives. Here, the adjective is always after the noun. For example, la casa segunda, the second house, but segunda is behind. Basically, we follow this in the numbers where you have to rate. Also, for example, un amigo mío, a friend of mine, un amigo mío. So we've put mío behind the friend. These type of adjectives are called limiting adjectives. Limiting adjectives is a bigger concept. We cannot cover this in the entire video. For deep dive of this subject, you can join our live classes or email, or with your inquiry you can email us to bloomlingo@gmail.com. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Bye.